Hey guys, today we will make something not much people like it, but in that way, try it. It's very healthy, a lot of vitamin, a lot. Like the selenium, iron, zinc, B6, B12, that'll protect from heart problem. Actually, it makes sense. Doesn't make sense, but it is. Protect for heart problem, bones, muscles. Very healthy. It's just the idea of eating it that's sounding weird for some people, but I will cut it to show you, like meat. We will need half green pepper, half red pepper, half a lemon, 2 big cloves of garlic, 2 big spoons of vinegar, whatever vinegar you like. I prefer white vinegar, and half teaspoon of harissa, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of coriander, and 1 teaspoon salt, and little pinch of nutmeg. And for the salad, we will need some lettuce, some parsley, 2 dill pickle, 1 tomato, 1 half onion, 1 garlic, half lemon, and the spice is salt and black pepper, choice. And I also add 1 teaspoon of thyme. That's it. Simple. So let's start and cut it. First of all, we'll cut this line. You find like line here. Here we go. We flip it like this. It'll be easy for cutting. And the other part, we need to take this part out. This one, because this is hard, chewy a little bit. We don't like it chewy. This part, the most hard part in it. We will cut it very thin as much as we can. Look at this. Very thin. We continue all like this. The other one, the same thing. This part we don't need it. This part. And we will cut this pepper, guys. And we will smash those. And let's go deal with this. Mix of olive oil and canola oil, like 2 big spoons. We will add first the garlic. We color the garlic and we will add the peppers. Like what you see, all in high temperature until now. And we will add the liquid we have. And the spice. And we will go with the heart. It's lamb heart, by the way. All until now high temperature. And we flip it, mix it good with all the spice. See, all high temperature. Change the color. You see the heart getting brown. So we cover it up and the minimum heat you can. And we will leave it for 5 minutes. We have this 5 minutes the heart will take to cook. So in the same time we will make the salad. The salad is a little different. With garlic, half the onion, and the lemon juice. And the spice. And olive oil. We blend them. Ready. We will cut those pickles. And the parsley very small too. Even the lettuce, we will cut it small pieces. The Roma tomato, we will cut it slices. Not thin, this one. So we'll mix it all together. And here it is, the salad is ready. And here guys, we just finished the salad, it's ready. Look, we got some juice. And smell beautiful guys, beautiful. And this just for garnish. Look at this guys. Oh my goodness. And don't forget the lemon or the lime. Here we go. I will eat with pita bread. I love it with bun because the bun sucked the sauce, but was very cold outside guys, so no. beat the bread good. So I will cut the pizza this way. Because it's winter, make them warm. And I'm doing this time. And I will add some of those. Let's see what's gonna happen. Guys, see you next video.